Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off option to show screen touches when we are recording our phone's screen in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Next we need to scroll down to screen recording option. And here we're looking for our auto pause option and screen touches. Here it is. So show screen touches. We can enable this option right here using the switch, and we can disable it using the same one. We do not have any more options nor other hidden menus. It's just a switch right here, and that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.